Hi Achievers, welcome to A+ Russian. Today we are learning how to say I'm putting on a hat. Not all winters are created equal. Do you need to wear a warm hat in the winter where you live? Let me know in the comments below. When you need to say I'm putting on, in Russian we say я надеваю, where я is I and надеваю is am putting on. And all together it's я надеваю, which is Russian for I'm putting on. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word надеваю. The first sound is n, then goes a, d, e, then we have v, a, and u at the end. And all together it's надеваю, надеваю. Try saying it with me. Надеваю. So far, you've learned how to say I'm putting on, where I is я and am putting on is надеваю. Do you remember what is Russian for I? Yeah, excellent. What about am putting on? Надеваю. Well done. And one more new word for today is шапка. Шапка. Шапка is a hat in Russian. Let's spell the word шапка. The first sound is sh, then goes a, p, k, and a at the end. And all together it's шапка. Шапка. Try saying it with me. Шапка. When we say I'm putting on a hat, in Russian it sounds like я надеваю шапку. You'll notice that шапка changed to шапку. This happens because it's a direct object, accusative case. When the original noun ending is a, we change it to u. So I'm putting on a hat is я надеваю шапку. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go! Шапка is hat, я is I, надеваю is am putting on. Шапка, шапка, я, надеваю, надеваю. Шапка. Do you remember where the other шапка is? Excellent. Я. Do you know where the other я is? Well done. Надеваю, надеваю. Well done, Achievers. Next time you're putting on a hat, you can say it in Russian. Я надеваю шапку. Where я is I, надеваю is am putting on, and шапку is a hat. And all together it's я надеваю шапку. And here is your bonus tip. Have you ever seen the iconic Russian winter hat that looks like it has a pair of long ears, like that of a dog? Ears is уши in Russian, and the hat is called ушанка. 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 If you want to keep learning basic phrases on A+ Russian, keep watching here.